So Jumia stock went up about 120% since last May, which is in 3 months. So its current price is $9.83, and its all-time low was in May, which was $4.47. So from that price, it has gone up 120%. They are all their high for 52-week high is $22.50, and their all-time high is $62. So there is quite a bit of room left up there for them to grow. Their market cap right now is just a little below 1 billion there, and their total employee is about 4,500. So their operating loss is $68 million and their gross revenue is $57 million. So their revenue is up 43%. Operating loss is up 31%. So which means they had a little better performance. So the operating loss didn't go up at the same rate of their revenue. Their gross profit is 30 million, which is about 14% higher than last year. Which means their cost of goods sold has gone up at a higher rate than their revenue, so which they have very little control over. And also that means that despite that, their operating loss hasn't gone up at the same rate, so which means they were a little more efficient in the operating expense area. So I think that's a good performance from them. So in their earnings report, they made a very big emphasis on how they are trying to control the cost and trying to be profitable. They're still far off, but they mentioned in the report that their operating expenses have peaked in last quarter, and from this quarter and next on, it will just get better and better. High level summary at the top of the earnings report: orders have increased by 35% year over year, and that's despite this macroeconomic condition. Their gross merchandise value has gone up by 21%, and their revenue has increased by 42%. So those are the key highlights of their earnings report. So in general, their earning reports looks pretty good. Looks like it has improved from last year, despite these macroeconomic conditions. So hopefully they will get better and better. Jumia is still a small company, very small company compared to all the other companies in the stock market. Their revenue is still very small compared to those big companies. I don't intend to buy any Jumia right now. I have bought for over last couple of years, so my average price is still pretty high, but I'm enjoying this new rate that I'm seeing.